Hey kids, JD here. Today we take the first steps to fixing my diet by using all natural, non-processed ingredients. Well, mostly. Stay tuned. As many of you may or may not be aware, American doctors, the American Medical Association, and nearly everybody that gets paid for having any kind of contact at all with the medical field says that Americans do not get enough fruit and vegetables in their diet. Well, today I aim to fix that. Today I've made a fantastic beverage made only, well, mostly only, of fresh ingredients. So let's go ahead and get started. But before we do, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, look me up on social media. Okay, let's go. Now for this, I have used fresh ingredients, fresh pineapple. I have used fresh coconut and fresh spices, let's just say. The proportion here is you want to get 1 part of Puerto Rican spices, you want to get 1 part of fresh coconut water, and then 3 parts of fresh pineapple. Now I didn't have enough juice, so I went ahead and I put in some pineapple slices, not only for the juiciness, but for the fiber, something else which doctors have been crying about for, I don't know, since the USDA figured out that, well, they could really help the American farmers out by changing the entire nutrition table. So I put in 2 ounces of Puerto Rican spice mix, 2 ounces of coconut water, and then 6 ounces of pineapple. Take them, mix them together, put them in a container, put them in the fridge to cool, and now we have the result. Fresh is always better, they say, so let's see if that's true. Very drinkable, especially as the bitterness goes away. All you're left with is sweet and spicy. The pineapple I had was somewhat bruised. It does alter the flavor. Different coconuts are going to taste a little different, so it's not going to be exactly the same. I would definitely 100% try to make sure you find a pineapple that does not have any bruising on it, because you can taste just a touch of that. Well, we've gone this far. For the sake of nutrition, we'd better finish this. So fruit smoothies and tropical drinks, how can you do any better than that? Nutrition achieved. If you like this video, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit me up on social media, and most weeks we release videos on Thursday and Friday, so tune in for that. I'm JD, and I'm out.